Interesting matchups dito sa ating bakbakan ngayon.
And I like the respect that they have for each other. I'm sure malinis ang laban ngayon.
Samantala, Yusei Goma was the hardest time he's ever had watching a game on TV.
Nakakatatlo na yung this year. Tatlong suspension na si Coach Atoy, pero buhay na buhay pa itong Mapua. Of course, they will need to win this game. Sila sa isa't isa. Ito si Ola, humihingi na naman ng bola.
At nakaka-anim na rebounds na si Olwell Oraime.
So 24 na lang. Ito pass first point guard, so I don't think it's a big deal for Coach Jamaic na 9 points lang si Basera Melasti.
Samantala, Donald Taqua, how did he get that pass? Isit umatake. Goes inside and the basket is good for the Flores.
Inidipon to.
Grabe, kanina pinawisan ako dun eh. Nung nakaupo ako sa San Beda side. Meron napunat ang bola. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. And De La Cruz with a finish on the fast break.
So Tongko taking where he left off. So first game nila against Mapua.
Ito sa laban na to. San Beda ang tumatakbo. Mapua hindi
Privilege to talagang double kasi hindi sila nakakashoot from the outside. And of course, pinahiya ko doon ni JP Nieles from the outside. There were a couple of plays that he was already lagging behind.
Has San Beda peaked? And I'm going to ask you the same thing right now. Or are they peaking right now in this game, Mikey?
Na meron nga siya noon.
Again, San Beda was up by 22. At eto na ang run ng Mapua na ibaba ang alamangan sa 10. To 10, it was as high as 22. Amer, let's go for 3. Baser Amer. Baser Amer to De La Cruz. To Taqua.
Kita mo naman.
Pa nagpapahinga dito sa laban na to is gassed. But Shane Medina knocks down a triple. Presbitero, nice pass to Donald Taqua.
Bakit kaya hindi bumiyahe papuntang arena?
Mikey. Oh, Shane Medina! Josan Nimes with a killer crossover. Josan Nimes, are you kidding me?
You reach, I teach, sabi ni Josan Nimes. Kita mo naman yung hesitation move na yun and the floater.
To 60. De La Cruz, harap-harapan. Oh! Arthur De La Cruz!
Kaninang-kanina pa tayo nandito.
Grabe!
Pati ako napagod eh.